This is Enterprise IS. This video case study describes how Enterprise IS were engaged to complete a range of operational readiness activities for a major resource company. Let's discuss the challenge the client was facing. Our client was building the infrastructure to support the decarbonisation of its operations and to power their expanding operations. The new assets included power generation, transmission and battery storage. The client had their own internal team to complete many of the OR activities where they had the technical skill set and capacity. Enterprise IS were engaged to complete the remaining activities, which were a suite of deliverables defining how the assets would be safely operated and maintained through their life cycle. So how did Enterprise IS support this client in delivering on their operational readiness goals? Enterprise IS worked with the client to determine the time required for each activity and the sequencing within the overall OR schedule. The deliverables were completed from our Wollongong office with 2 visits to the client's head office and the project site. The Enterprise IS team integrated into the overall OR team through regular meetings in Microsoft Teams. Progress and spend were tracked through weekly reports provided to the client's project lead. So, what were the results? Enterprise IS completed the following deliverables for the client. Criticality assessment for the new equipment. FAMECAs to determine equipment strategies. Maintenance plan builds. Work instruction development. Update of the asset management plan. Lubrication strategies. Equipment preservation plans. Roadable selection and repair specifications, operating manual for the overall power network, isolation point identification, area inductions, safety procedures, functional safety management plan, and business continuity plans. The client was now able to move forward in confidence. If your business could benefit with support or advice in operational readiness, contact us today. Whatever you need, at Enterprise IS, we take the time to understand what success looks like for you and tailor a solution to deliver on your goals. Visit our website for more information at enterpriseis.com.au.